Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and I typically don't have a lot of time to make these response videos, but today we are, and in the last couple weeks, I'm not sure what's in the water or the air, but people are in some bad moods, and I don't fully understand why. I'm from the old school that if you have nothing nice to say, do not say anything at all, or go take a walk, or go read a book, or go do something. But a lot of these people on social media, especially on Instagram, very angry, writing nasty things. An older stockpile picture I had of my stockpile. I haven't done a stockpile tour, guys, since probably 2008. Very long time. People will say stuff. I got a comment this week that only idiots stockpile, and I'm not fully sure what that means. But if you look at the picture that I had, this is actually, I think, from 2018. It is an old photo. I don't do those updated, look at my stockpile tours. It's just asking for trouble and for more people to say stuff like this. And this person that called me an idiot, I will address that in a second. Here's another one of the little hauls that I had from Dollar General, like a $25 basket. This is a sickness, meaning, doing deal after deal and trying to save money for your family, like that's some sort of like illness. And, to that, this person doesn't coupon and they have no idea what they're really addressing, yet they have an opinion that they wish to share. And I fully don't understand it. And I know a lot of you don't make content, so you won't see these sort of comments. But in your real life, you might have somebody look at your stockpile and have some thoughts and share those thoughts with you. So I thought that's what we'd address in this video. Because do you share your couponing journeys with family members who are non-couponers? Yes or no? A cart like this might raise a couple eyebrows, or they'll be like, are you out of your mind buying all those moon pies? What are you doing? Maybe you're going to donate it. Maybe it was part of a Christmas gift. Maybe it's stuff that you need in case there's a layoff in your family, or gas becomes $4 a gallon again and you just can't afford every little thing for the household. And it's good to have this stockpile as some insurance when something hits the fan. Have we not been through something since 2020? I think most of us have. And that's why a lot of couponers are actually preppers. If you look into your stockpile, it's a lot more than just coupon goods. A lot of us prep for food. A lot of us can. A lot of us really know the value of $1, and that's why we want to hang on to it so tightly, because we know that, things are really scary out there right now. And even though they don't use the word recession, something is up, guys, and all of us know that. And the price of food, that it hasn't dropped, and it just keeps increasing and increasing. Cost of gas. This is why a lot of us see the value in this hobby, and we make it a very important part of our week. If you want to call it an illness, then that's your opinion, but it's obviously not my opinion. I don't share it. I think couponing is super smart. I jotted down a couple of things, guys. Just because somebody doesn't get something, it doesn't mean that it's wrong. And that is this hobby. So if you have a sister-in-law, and I'm just using that loosely, my sister-in-laws love couponing, but I'm just saying, just say you have somebody in your family, a sister, okay, who doesn't get your couponing, and they always have little stupid comments like, what are you going to do with all that Tide? What are you going to do with all this? Why do you need all this? Cashiers say that to us all the time. Because they don't get the value of it, that when products are free or at a rock bottom price that we stock up, it is not their place to question you. Period. End of story. Now, here's an example. Let's flip this around. If they had $20,000 Lego collection or a $20,000 doll collection, would you look at their purchase and say, what are you going to do with all those dolls? What are you going to do with all those Legos? Probably not, because you know what? It's none of your business. If you have a basement dedicated to your Lego collection or your dolls or whatever it might be, you probably would just say, oh, that's lovely, and just leave it there. But if it's a stockpile, people have opinions. It's funny how that works. Let's never forget you are the president and CEO of your hobby, that is couponing. Meaning if you have 20 grand of merchandise in your basement, you pick and choose who gets it. You pick and choose if you're going to resell it. You pick and choose what happens to every single item, because it is your choice. So again, I don't usually do tours of my stockpile or show what I have. This is a very old photo. If you look at the bottles, you would be able to key in on that if you're a couponer. But here's the deal, guys. I think that these people that don't get it, they simply don't get it. And I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to slow down. And it's just the way that it is. I think a lot of us now more than ever need to coupon. In the comments down below, if you've ever had an interaction with somebody who just doesn't get it, we'd love to read about it. And we will catch you in the next one. Bye.